Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm sharing another fall clean with me. I will be tackling the bedroom, kitchen, and living room. Here in Virginia, we've been having some amazing weather. We typically don't have much of a fall season. We'll get a few weeks of nice cool weather and then it's summer again and then we go right into winter. So I like to take advantage of it when I can. So I've got all the windows open and I'm going to hit just the main areas that need attention.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me.
So first in the kitchen, I need to go ahead and fold the kitchen towels and get the table clean and load and unload the dishwasher. I'm going to wipe down all the counters and appliances and clean the floor. But I also wanted to talk to you guys. Recently, I've been cleaning my stainless steel with my all-purpose cleaner, and then I've been going back over it with my glass cleaner, and it gives it a really nice shine. I've also heard of people using furniture polish on their stainless steel, but I have not tried that yet. So let me know in the comments if you go back over your stainless steel with anything other than stainless steel cleaner. I'm kind of intrigued to know. I've actually heard of quite a lot of people using their furniture polish, but again, like I said, I've not tried that yet. So let me know in the comments below if you do that too.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
So as I was in here cleaning the kitchen, I just had like an off feeling the whole time. I think it's because I actually started cleaning in the bedroom first, and I normally start with the kitchen always. But earlier that morning, I had washed the bed sheets, so I wanted to go ahead and get that done. And the bedroom wasn't really that dirty, so I went ahead and knocked that out while I was in there. But like I said, I normally always start in the kitchen because that's the room that takes the longest and it has the most mess always. So I'm curious to know if you guys always start in the same areas, if you have a system that you do. I don't really do like every Monday I'll do the kitchen or every Wednesday I do the bathrooms. It's just really as needed when necessary. So like on this day, I didn't do every single room because not every room needed to be cleaned. And I just, like I said, I just felt off. So I'd like to know how you guys do it. Do you always start in the same way? Do you always do the same rooms on the same times? Let me know in the comments below.
I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. It breaks in my heart. It's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth. I know you don't wanna face it. You think it's too late, but I can see past the rain. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. The bottom, so bottom up please. We're gonna get over this. I see the smoke in the mirrors. I'm holding the key, one step away from salvation. You're like the ocean, setting me free. Out in the open, I'm picking up speed. No bad thoughts penetrate. Hold me like this is the first time. Our destiny calls, not leaving this incomplete. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our light. Throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. And throw our problems in the flames. Ooh, throw our problems in the flame. I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please?
So one thing that I've been talking about recently in my videos is the kitchen makeover process. I recently just painted all of the kitchen cabinets, and if you didn't see that video, I will have it linked in the cards above. But I've been talking about us getting some new countertops, and we have been looking, and I think here soon we're going to make that appointment to have them come out and measure. I'm so excited for that because this is one of the main rooms that I've really been wanting to get a hold of and kind of revamp and redo. So make sure if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that button now. That way you are not going to miss any of that content. I've got a bunch more fall stuff coming up too, and I've also been asking you guys on Instagram what you would like to see, and a lot of you guys have been saying that you would like to see a get ready with me. I do work full time, so that's going to be an early video, and I don't mind doing it. So if that's something that you would like to see, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. That way I can go ahead and get all of that started.
Never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm and I know I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. But if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm and I know I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. No flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm and I know I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright.
I really hope you guys are enjoying this video so far and it's giving you some motivation to get in your house and do some cleaning as well. And if it is, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. But for right now, I'm going to go ahead and head into the living room. I'm going to clean up all of Bodhi's toys. I'm going to get the blankets folded. You know, I've got to get out my Chom Chom and clean the couch. I'm going to dust down everything and vacuum.
Used to be fun. You used to care. Darling, we built a home, a life. But now all of that is gone, I fear, my dear. Ooh, 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 ooh. away. Hold tight, I can save you from these deep black waters, pull you in while you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from these deep black waters, pull you in while you drift away. Yeah, you drift away. Yeah, we used to laugh. You were all that I had, so I gave you my all. But now all of that is gone, I feel. You know all of that is gone, my dear. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm leaving the light on if you come back around. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm holding on until forever I will fight, but you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from these deep black waters, pull you in while you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from these deep black waters, pull you in while you drift away. Yeah, you drift away. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm holding on until forever I will fight, but you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from these deep black waters, pull you in while you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from these deep black waters, pull you in while you drift away.
Now we are all done and the house looks amazing. It smells good, it feels good, and I'm so glad that I got up early on this day and got all of this knocked out so I can go out and enjoy the rest of this beautiful weather. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like I said, give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and it lets me know what you guys like to see. Also, like I said before as well, I've got a whole bunch of fall videos still to come. I've got some Halloween shopping that you guys are not going to want to miss, and all of the other new stuff as well. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Again, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and do that now before you leave, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And as always, I love you and I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, you drift away.